Hi, welcome to another webcam modeling club video. I'm your host, Stacy Sanchez, and today I'm going to talk about what are cam models and what do they do. So let's get started. A paid artist that amuses audiences. A cam model is a paid model and performer who entertains audiences on the web by a webcam. He or she executes internet shows, usually in an adult-driven way. Therefore, nudity is a component of the exhibit. There can also be found non-nude webcam models, who only chat with audiences without removing any kind of clothes. They work for proven online companies, which usually have an online platform engineered specifically to host all their webcam models. There also exist cam models who opt for going solo. They have their very own internet site where they perform for the audiences. Nevertheless, the big percentage of webcam models function for online companies. Cam models make use of an alias or nickname to operate online. This is to safeguard their individuality. Cam models don't expose personal data with online audiences for security reasons. A self-employed contractor. Online webcam companies send all the commercial infrastructure so cam models can operate. Cam models don't have to look after any type of technical work, including programming, payment processing, and web hosting. Thanks to this, cam models simply have to concentrate on their shows. The better they show, the better the payment they get. Cam model can easily be seen as a self-employed contractor for an online webcam company. Cam models buy all the equipment they're required to use in their shows. Equipment like computers, internet service, webcam, lighting, etc. is the webcam model responsibility. Cam models determine their personal working routine and also the versions of the show they will do. What precisely do they do? They determine what to do on their shows. Obviously, they have to respect the fundamentals guidelines that webcam modeling sites have. Truth is, the big portion of shows are sexually focused. Therefore, things like getting nude and performing masturbation is part of their schedule. Cam models are extremely appealing and teasing. They also understand methods to use body language to stimulate their viewers. A handful of cam models have exceptional skills, and they use them as part of the shows too. Skills like costume play, singing, hula hooping, gymnastics, juggling, or playing an instrument are part of their day-by-day schedule. They do all types of things that can certainly amuse their audiences. However, there are as well cam models who only chat with their audiences without carrying out any type of sexual act. So most of them also develop friendships with their community. Audiences pay cam model in many ways. These involve pay per minute scheme, tipping, etc. Further jobs that can be carried out to boost their income. A handful of cam models do various other work to boost their profits. These are producing and selling content material, which usually involves picture sets, videos, messenger access to Snapchat or WhatsApp, Skype shows, etc. Or they develop a fan base on social networks just like Twitter or Instagram. Or they develop on the web games and also awards for their audiences. The prizes are mailing them physical used clothes intended for raffles or auctions. Studio or independent. A handful of cam models choose to be employed by studios or to work independently. The moment they are employed by a studio, the studio supplies all the tools cam models require. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also make sure you join our 100% free webcam modeling training mini course. Learn how to make $2,000 per week from the comfort of your home as a webcam model at www.camgirls.com. www.modelingclub.webcam.